Good morning, students. In the previous session, we have studied about slow and fast changes, reversible and irreversible changes. We will continue this topic. In this session, we will study about physical and chemical changes. Students, let us start with physical change. A change in which no new substance is formed is known as physical change. I repeat, a change in which no new substance is formed is known as a physical change. Examples of physical change are bending a copper wire into different shapes is a physical change. Here, copper does not change into another substance. Similarly, breaking of chalk is a physical change because by doing so, no new substance is formed. Breaking of glass tumbler is a physical change. Here, when the glass breaks, its size, shape, and ability to hold water are lost, but no new substance gets formed. So, you see here, in all the cases, no new substance is formed. Hence, these all changes are physical changes. Let us understand physical change with the help of these activities. Activity 5. Switch on an electric bulb. It will start glowing. When we switch it off, it stops glowing. In this change, no new substance gets formed and we can get back the bulb to its original condition. Activity 6. Take some sugar crystals. We know that sugar is white in color, sweet in taste, and has no odor. Now grind the sugar in order to change it into powder form. We will observe that grinding changes it from crystals to powder form. It remains white in color, sweet and odorless, even in the powder form. As such, no new substance has been formed. Students, now you can see here in activity 5, glowing of bulb, and in activity 6, grinding of sugar are also physical changes. Chemical change. A change in which new substance gets formed is called a chemical change. I repeat, a change in which new substance gets formed is called a chemical change. These are the examples of chemical change. Burning of wood is a chemical change. Before the wood is burnt, it is hard and brown in color. After burning, it produces smoke and changes into wood charcoal and ash, which are black and powdery. Similarly, changes of milk into curd is a chemical change. Milk is a liquid. After curdling, it changes into a semi-solid material which has a different taste. Rusting of iron is a chemical change. Iron is a grey solid which gets attracted by a magnet. After rusting, the surface of iron gets covered with a brown solid which is not attracted by a magnet. Students, chemical change will be more clear to you by these two activities. Activity 7. Take some sugar in a china dish and heat it on a burner. You will observe that sugar becomes brownish black and is now bitter in taste. It is a permanent and irreversible change in which a new substance has been formed. Here you can see in this activity, that is, burning of sugar is a chemical change. Activity 8. Take a piece of paper and burn it with the help of matchstick. You will observe that the paper changes into ash. In this case, we do not get back the original substance. That means we do not get back the paper again. A new substance, that is ash, is formed. Here you can also see that burning of paper is a chemical change. Now let us compare a physical change with a chemical change. In physical change, no new substance is formed. The substance may change its appearance or physical state. In chemical change, new substance with different properties is formed. Some examples of physical changes are tearing of paper, freezing of water, and melting of ice. Some examples of chemical changes are cooking of food, burning of paper or fuels, and growth of plants. This is enough for today. Take care. Goodbye.